What do you think about like the impact it could have on the creative field? So I was like having a conversation with Sarmad Ghafoor once, and he had a really good point. Ke even like automated images could still be made, but let's say a painting, it can never replace a painting of Da Vinci. Let's say. So what do you think inherently could this affect the creative fields as well?
I think he's absolutely right. Nothing can replace a Da Vinci, but आप ये भी देखें कि Da Vinci has had 400, 600 years, whatever, to establish his reputation. अब मैं dates भूल गया हूँ कि Renaissance कब था, लेकिन there's a limited supply in the field, and it's in the context of that. लेकिन there's also no reason not to believe कि online भी, like अभी NFTs आई थी art के, obviously वो market crash हो गई है, but वो भी थी. I've been hearing a couple of AI rendered songs with Rafi's voice into some other things.
Yeah. I've also listened to those, like,
and
really
they're amazing.
Yeah.
Now the problem is that I actually would consider listening to those regularly.
Yeah.
Some of them are really good.
Yeah.
So I don't think like the human element will be taken out, but again, the art field will also mimic some of the loss that exists. के इसमें problem ये है ना कि not every musician, artist crosses that threshold into timelessness. Like आप देखें हर साल there must be a lakh or even more songs, बहुत ज़्यादा songs होंगे that are released.
Yeah.
How many make it? Very few. Now that's not a function of there's not enough listeners. Maybe not all of them deserve to make it.
Right.
ठीक है? But it still requires a certain level of skill. What if we can automatically AI उसमें proficient हो जाता है?
Yeah.
So there will be an effect. I do agree that top creatives will not be affected.
Yeah.
And over time, this will be, something that's difficult to assess because already जो चीजें निकल के आई हैं, what we argue is a very early inception of AI. Some of it is so sophisticated. जो आखिरी 2 माह में मैंने देखे, like अभी now we're actually measuring in months, right?
Right.
उसकी जो iterations आ रही हैं, दूसरी companies आ रही हैं, so I know of one director in Pakistan who's doing commercial film work. TVCs. So he has put 2-3 AI generated bits into his film also, his TVCs already.
Right.
So what does that mean? That means somebody's work was just cut out, right? Editor.
So a job lost somewhere.
Somewhere down the chain. Or वो जो extreme position है, that I agree that won't happen. Like humans का कोई काम ही नहीं होगा. Because eventually you might think if they're all using the same data sets, the same learning means, तो कुछ similarity तो आएगी.
Right.
And then एक चीज़ जो humans have shown with some proficiency is like, मुझे याद है जब हम music सुनते थे, there was heavy metal, फिर grunge आ गया, फिर उसके बाद, वो आ गया, new metal आ गया, things like that. I mean, there were iterations, changes that kept coming.
Yeah.
And then sometimes the health of the system is such, like these days is very poor, at least for rock and things like that. But I still think, human beings will have that role. Whether it will be enough for the whole stream of musicians or not, that's a big question.